Guys, how you doing? Check out Spike's new Land Rover.
Yeah, she's beautiful. She's too clean though.
Looks exactly the same as your real one, nearly, doesn't it?
Well, that was the plan, Kevich, but we've got to get rid of this bumper and stuff, but that'll happen.
So, what we're going to do, it's dark outside, we're going to build a little indoor crawler track just from junk we got laying around, and then we're going to have a little rock race competition. See who wins. So, let's get to it. Alright, so the idea is we're going to build a little track in here. We're going to try and make it into a complete loop. Don't know how yet. Give a note in the comment, guys, who you think's going to win. What are you doing, Spike?
Breaking everything.
Alright, so the track's built. Start line's going to be, I don't know, it's not really a start line, is there? So you've got to come round here, across there, over there, down this ramp here, over this ramp, over some obstacles here, over Spike's sketchy contraption, then around this bit, over some tyres, over the seesaw, back round there, round here, round here, up this thing, across here, and that's it, that's a lap. So we're probably going to be doing this as a timed lap, and then later on we're going to see who can lap the other one. By the way, guys, if you want to see this perspective, you've got to check out Spike's channel, link in the description. Alright, so this is test lap. We have already tested each part so far, so we know it's doable. Oh! That lamp's definitely in the way, isn't it?
Yeah, it is now. No.
Oh! I think you're going to need something in there because your bumper's lower.
Might get a different bit of wood for that.
There you have it, guys. There's a lap. Oh, no. Oh, we wrecked. So we've got the start line here. We're going to do a whole lap and a whole track all the way around. So this is the start line, also the finish line when we come back that way. We're going to see what my time is, and then we're going to see what Spike's time is.
2, 3.
Oh, where are we going? Oh, look at this here.
Oh! He's messing up the track.
With a bit of practice, I could probably be a bit better at this. Oh! Got so far. Yes! I think that was a pretty good run.
108 and 72 seconds.
Hey, we don't know yet if that's good or bad.
No, we don't, do we?
Spike's turn.
My turn.
Alright, so Spike's turn now. And then we're going to go for round 2, and that one's going to be on Spike's channel. I think I've got this one in the bag, to be honest with you guys. Because that went pretty well. I didn't need any hands of God. Alright, so on 3 we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, where the hell's he going? That's it, destroy the mining rig.
Oh no, I'm going too fast.
Slow and steady wins your race, maybe. Oh!
Oh, no, he's ruined it now.
Oh! Reverse, reverse. Or did he got a hand?
No, there's no got a hand there. The pressure's too much for me, Kev. I can't handle it.
Oh! Oh! And he's nearly in for the home run.
Out of the way, I can't bloody see.
It's close. It's close. He got. Oh,
He's over.
Oh, he wins.
Oh, sweet.
No. No, he wins. I
Yes.
can't believe it.
8 seconds, Kev. 8
Oh,
seconds.
I'm not having that.
No hand of God on that.
I'm not having that, guys. So Spike was
59 seconds. Look, under a minute, Kev.
59 seconds.
Even with all my crazy
We're not going to go with all the decimals.
No.
Alright, so we're going to go again. I think I'm going to win. But this video is going to be on Spike's channel, so make sure you see that.
That's a real slow though.
What? Well, how did you get so far?
again.
How did you get so far ahead? I've got to lap him. It's just going on and on otherwise.
Oh no!
Here we go. Oh, I've lapped him. I've lapped him.
Not yet, he hasn't. If you need hand of God, you're back behind me.
Yes. I win.
What the hell's going on?
I win. Yes. I'm the winner. After all that, I don't know how much this went on camera, guys, but we're not going to film it again. Look at the state of the track. It's just carnage. Carnage.
No,
All right, so
fell over in there.
we're going to be doing a few more bits on Spike's channel, guys. So make sure you head off over there. This is it for my channel so far. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. Check out Spike's channel. See you soon.